Looking for a lightweight, affordable, cordless leaf blower? Check out these two from AOETREE. Hi, this is David of Tech for Bubba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out these two cordless leaf blowers from AOETREE. See what they come with and how they work. Let's start with the smaller one. It comes in a small green box. In the box, there's a quick start guide and user manual, charging adapter, a blower tube, an extension tube, the blower, and two batteries. The blower is in a light green plastic housing. There's a black AOETREE logo on the side. The handle is wrapped in softer black rubber for better grip, and there's a two-stage switch on the top. The air intake is on the bottom. The battery is lithium-ion, rated 20 volts, 2 amp hours. Gives the blower about 100 minutes of runtime at stage 1 and 20 minutes at stage 2. It's charge connected directly to the power adapter. There's an indicator light on the adapter. Red light means it's charging. Green light means it's fully charged. The battery is inserted to the blower from the back below the handle. It can be released with this green button on the top. The blower tube snaps onto the blower easily. The blower is about 25.6 inches long with it. The extension tube can also be added for longer reach. With it, the entire blower is 35 inches long. Altogether, it weighs only 3.4 pounds. Very light and easy to maneuver. This little blower has two stages. Stage 1 goes up to 60 miles per hour airflow speed and sounds like this. About 85 to 86 decibels, 5 inches away. Stage 2 goes up to 130 miles per hour, about 140 CFM. Louder as expected at about 95 decibels. This little blower is very easy to use. Great for light dusting of items like this roof box. Blowing light leaves off a car or sidewalk. If more power is needed, check out this bigger one from AOETREE. It has a similar green plastic housing with the logo on the side. Black rubbery handle, just bigger to make room for a much more powerful 500 CFM brushless motor. The air intake is towards the back with a nice black metal grill. The larger kit also comes with two batteries. The battery is much bigger. It's also lithium-ion at 20 volts but 4.5 amp hours. Can run at the maximum turbo mode for 20 minutes. Here is a comparison between the two batteries. In addition to the green release button, the bigger battery also has a 4-bar battery level indicator. It has a direct charging port, and the kit comes with a separate battery charger. The bigger kit also comes with a protective goggle, the shorter strap, and a couple of nozzles, a taper one and a flat one. Here's the blower with the battery attached on the back, the blower tube, and the flat nozzle attached in the front. The overall length is about the same as the little one at 35 inches. Weighs more at 4.8 pounds with the bigger motor and battery. Still relatively light for a 500 CFM blower. It has a variable speed trigger under the handle. There's also a dial to set the blower at a certain speed. And a turbo button on the top. When the turbo button is pressed, the blower will temporarily increase the air speed to its maximum level and return to the set speed when the turbo button is released. The blower is louder at about 92 decibels, going up to 96 decibels in turbo mode. It does have a lower pitch sound than the little one. At 500 CFM, this larger blower can move a lot more leaves quickly. Great for driveway, yard cleanup, especially in the fall. The smaller ultralight blower kit retails for about $80 and the larger one is around $150. There are frequent discounts in the links I'll put in the description below. Do you think that electric blowers like these are good enough to replace the gas ones these days? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks for AOETREE for sending these out for me to try and share with you.